Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making plum fritters that we're just going to bake in the oven. For these, I just use sugar plums. They're really little, but you can just use regular plums. They'll work just as well. Anything you can find is great. They're delicious. Put a little powdered sugar on top of them when they're done, and let me tell you, amazing. So let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.